so Thursday night, sitting around Jeep night, we made a late decision to go ahead and come out camping this weekend. We didn't have anything planned. Obviously it's getting into the evening and I haven't taken any video other than a little bit of the drone, but that's not good footage. So when I get home and look at it on the computer, by now you'll know if I used it or not. So we decided to come out here. First of all, on the way up here, 40% chance of rain quickly turned into 100% chance. We got rain on for quite a while, so we made a couple stops on the way and checked out a brewery or two on the way up here over a span of a few hours. Waited for the rain to settle, and finally came up to our campsite, got set up, opening up our chairs, and I have a chair that is broken, so Lisa ordered me a new chair. So I took what I thought was my bad chair out of the Jeep, left it in our garage at home, pulled out my brand new chair and my old broke chair. She didn't have one, so she gets to use my brand new chair while I sit on a bucket of firewood. So we get up here and go through the chair issue. Then what else? Got rain on the chair, brought firewood up that's been in tubs. I've had these two totes back here for a while, so I figured it must be good dry wood. Had trouble getting that going. Fortunately, Dan brought some good wood because mine were having trouble getting to burn very good. Then I got my drone out. I got a cheap Holy Stone drone that haven't been real happy with anyway, but I was too cheap to buy a DJI or a nicer one, so I bought that. Took it for a little flight, fighting the wind, brought it back. Dan took a turn, took it down around that bend. It disconnected. I had it set so it goes very high to clear the trees and auto return. Not sure what happened. Didn't auto return, so we're down a drone. We did have dinner. That went well. We sat around at a little table, played a new dice game that Dan and Twyla brought. That was pretty fun. So now we're just chilling, enjoying the fire. Gonna hang out around the camp tonight. We didn't do any trails today. We just, like I said, it was raining, so we just hit the brewery and then came up and got set up camp after the rain stopped. So like I said, kind of late decision this week to come out camping, and it's just a weekend to relax. Nothing big, not going, like I said, a lot of trail riding or anything. Just wanted to get out of the house and get out in the woods again and just have a nice casual evening. Excuse me, I've got a cough drop because I've been fighting a cold too. So yeah, we're just gonna hang out around the fire tonight and enjoy company with Dan and Twyla, and we'll see what tomorrow brings. Have the 0 degree bag in, so that doesn't leave room for the memory foam when we close the camper, the tent. So probably after this trip we'll be pulling the 0 degree bag out, putting the memory foam, the additional padding in there with our summer weight sleeping bag, so makes it a little more comfortable. Still fighting a little bit of cold, but it's morning, it's coffee time. On the way up here, we stopped at an Amish market and picked up a few things. So we got some homemade bread that we're trying to make toast on the disc. Homemade Amish bread with Amish black cherry jam. I ain't gonna lie, this is pretty dang good, man. We got one for Dan.
I have new ones, and I think they fixed that because when I compare the breads, they're completely different.
Oh. So on the way home, we stopped at ice cream shop and grabbed some ice cream. Tradition. It wasn't Dairy Queen this time, but didn't do a lot of videoing this weekend. We just kind of wanted to enjoy the weekend. But I did get a little bit, as you saw. But now I'm home, getting ready to unhook the trailer and get that unloaded and unload the Jeep and wrap it up. So as always, we adventure at our level. Get out there to adventure at your level. Thanks for watching.